Hi friends, today what story mummy?
Can you guess what story?
Masha in a bear.
Yes, today we are going to see a story of Masha and the bear.
Who is Masha?
Masha is a tiny little very naughty girl who troubles the bear always. We will see what she do.
Where is Masha?
Masha. Once upon a time, Masha lived in the dreamland with her parents. One day, Masha went to collect wild bottom mushrooms deep in the forest. While collecting mushrooms, Masha saw a hut in the forest. She opened the doors.
What was inside?
Even Masha does not know. She has the curiosity to know who will be inside the hut. Come, let's see who is inside.
I'm eager to see.
You are eager to see?
Yes.
Oh. On opening the door, Masha got shocked
Why mummy, what happened?
because Masha saw a big bear inside the hut. Ooh. Bear said, "Hi, Masha. You cannot escape from here. I know you do nice pancakes. You should also prepare it for me. Okay?" Masha said, "Okay." Masha said, "Okay, I will make the pancakes. But one condition, you should take to my parents, which I will parcel it in a basket, and you are not supposed to open the basket. I will be watching from the tall tree." Balu bear said, "Okay." Balu said, "Okay, done. I will not open the basket." Masha prepared the pancakes on the hot oven. Prejan, do you like pancakes?
Yes,
How much you like pancakes?
very much.
Okay, one day I will prepare and give it to you. Kids, you also ask your mommies to prepare pancakes for you. Masha asked Balu to wait outside until she prepares pancakes. Now pancake is ready. Masha shouted, "Balu, come. Pancakes are ready. I have parceled it. Take it to my parents. Don't open the basket. I will be watching from the top of the tall tree." Okay, I will not open. Masha, give. Balu, the bear, carried the basket on his back and started walking. Suddenly, bunny rabbits, attracted by the pancake smell, and followed the Balu bear in the forest. Balu bear got tired with the heavy basket. Oof, I'm tired. So Balu bear thought to rest for a while, and he would like to taste the pancakes. Masha shouted, "Hey Balu, the bear, don't open the basket." Balu bear puzzled how Masha seeing from far off. He looked back, but Balu could see only rabbits, choo-choo squirrels, only were watching from tree top and behind bushes. So he don't want to take risks. So he again took the basket and reached Masha house.
Then what happened?
I will tell you. Masha parents saw Balu the bear and alerted to throw a big wooden log at the bear and shouted, "Shh, shh, hey, go away." Balu the bear got scared and left the basket and ran away. Even bunny rabbits also scared and ran away. On hearing the parents' voice, Masha jumped out from the basket with pancakes and mushroom cover and fooled the Balu bear.
Super!
Masha told her parents how she escaped from the bear by hiding inside the basket and fooling the Balu bear. Finally, Masha, with her parents, happily enjoyed her evening tea with pancakes. So, see, children, how Masha is intelligent to fool the Balu, the bear. So, Prajan, are you intelligent like Masha?
Yes.
Very good. I hope all kids are also intelligent like Masha in thinking smart enough. Okay, kids, that's all is your story.
Okay, friends. Bye bye. Good night.